Hey, my name is James Mason with Transparent Traders, the Facebook group. In this video, I'm going to show you and explain to you how to get real-time data on your paper trading account. Now, a lot of people believe that you cannot get this, and that is simply not true. There are actually two places that you have to check and make sure that your real-time data is truthfully real-time data. So before we go any further, all I ask is for you to hit the subscribe button to get more content like this in the future. And also, if you're new to my channel, check out my playlist section if you're looking for a complete free stock trading course. So let's get into it. Alright, so you can see I have my paper trading account open right here, and the two places that you have to look at. This first one is simple. Up here, this may say delayed and it's 20 minutes. If yours is delayed, that's unacceptable. You cannot learn with your paper trading account if there is a 20-minute delay. So come up here. If any of this says anything different than real-time data, what you have to do next, click on support, live support, and create support request. Come down here to general support's good enough, and then just let them know that you want your paper trading account to have the real-time data. Once they square that away, and this says real-time data up there in all those options, come over here, click setup, go to application settings, and then system, quote speed. Make sure it says no delay. I think by default a lot of them tend to go to 3 seconds, but make sure it says no delay and apply settings. And that's it. Once you are to that point right there, you have real-time data 100% on your paper trading account. And now you can trade during the live market with no delay with everyone else, so you can truly get the real experience that you need to learn while you're starting out. So I appreciate you guys taking time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.